don't care who is president. Nana Jai Gyimii. Nana Jai Gyimii no. And people will not be looting fertilizers. Da Jai Gyimii. Da Jai Gyimii. People are hoarding Land Cruisers. Your honor. Free Gyimii. We don't care who is in power. Coupons so no amodema you legon girls.
Ebusia Prophet Kofi Oduro Alabaster International Ministry sofo wabe throw shades wabe money atenie e de amampanyimfo bi.
And people will not be looting fertilizers. For what? What is fertilizer? People are hoarding Land Cruisers. You came to government to take a Land Cruiser?
Let's talk GH rumors. And then first time I pop into our video, make sure to subscribe it. Now I click it on notification bell. So there any upload there bounce a bit in your channel, share. Now I like it and so Eddie mommy. Your Facebook as Let's Talk GH rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure to follow these pages. Eddie mommy. Elections, no sema baby na kenim say Eddie Christmas dear. Anka. Shade me 10 year name you may be to be chance. Prophet Kofi Oduro aba was sending message be ama nana kro de etojo no a o say panyimu bi ya de na enya sebi o say o ka che ne say eyensem hunu ana wodi
obi en me ka che say jade we kanogre obi en me ka che jankwase ade no a we kanogre jankwase ade na we panimu wo dwene bad o Gyimii kachira no da Jai Gyimii da Jai Gyimii da Jai Gyimii yeah shenana ni mrakaza say therefore Jai Gyimii therefore Jai Gyimii Namba yamaye beku, or therefore tupa beku, or therefore jama beku. Tell them. Omoye galam say na kachira nana Jai Gyimii, nana Jai Gyimii no. Kachira nana Jai Gyimii. Tell people truth. Yeah. Tell truth. Kwa shia judge. Utimo send asema ye di we di. Eya tenchia. To judge from lordship honor. Kajan say your lordship. Your honor. Free Gyimii. Sorry free Gyimii. Na emranya juma. Let the rule of law. Not when it favors us, then we turn it into no. Follow precedence. Follow the model. Go with structure. We don't care who is president. We Ghana for. We don't care who is in power. As long as they do the right thing. That is the most important thing. Yeah, we don't care who rules. It is of no account. Sisala for ye nuanum, nanumba for ye nuanum, kusasi for ye nuanum, yeah, frafra for ye nuanum, hausa for ye nuanum, tia, you know, I before ye nuanum, and grand for ye nuanum, you know, minicrobo for ye nuanum, yeah, yene achim for ye nuanum, quo for ye nuanum, asante for ye nuanum, minia paninzimeni, miniania quemufuo, and so we don't care who is in who. We are telling ourselves true. The Bible said in Hebrews chapter 3 and verse number 13, I close with that. The Bible said here, he said, interestingly, he said, exalt one another daily while it is so called day. Lest any of you be hardened through the deceitfulness of sin. Turn it into my language. Na bonena da bone nada bonitimi da den enya bonena da and people will not be looting fertilizers. For what? What is fertilizer? People are hoarding Land Cruisers. You came to government to take a Land Cruiser. A Land Cruiser is 120, 140, up to 180,000 US dollars. If you want one, buy one. Asa. You want one? Buy one. Go to Toyota and tell them I want one of the 180,000. Not on the expense of a nation that is crawling like a cripple. You don't expend on this nation. Antina Land Cruiser mo anadi enaba. Winim nanti enipa be nanti we say. Nadi enaba. You know, there are people driving Land Cruisers who cannot buy fuel. Huh? Ninkasa. Ukotinefi na so na be hunu say. Coupons no amodema you Legon girls. It was not cheap. Kusumisi yenyansa. And so he said in Matthew chapter number 11, he said, be careful that the light in you does not turn into darkness. Very careful that the light in you does not turn into dark. Be very careful that your light turneth not into darkness. The scripture, please. I think it's verse number 35. Try that. Matthew 11:35. You know, it doesn't have a 35. $25 then. No part of my notes. Be careful the light in you does not turn into darkness. It's not. I will get it. The light in you turneth not into darkness. I like it. I definitely read it. I'll pick it up before we go. It's a good scripture. Make it your. I met a little boy at Alabasta City the other day. It was actually Luke. Okay. Luke 11:35. I met a little boy the other day at Alabasta City. And I said, what are you doing here? He said, I'm here for rehearsal. I said, for what? He said, I am the preacher for 25th December. I said, how old are you? He said, I'm 11 years old. And I said, you are a preacher at 11? He said, yes. I said, do you have a message? He said, I have a message. And if I look at the confidence of the boy, 11 years with confidence that Christmas Day he is preaching at Alabasta City. Christmas Day we have another young preacher preaching here. I can't wait to listen. Yeah. I'm saying something. I'm looking at the generation where people can pride. My grandma may born am there talk on you. My grandma na talk on you. My grandma, a woman can blow away her dignity in the gutter without shame. Bold. So me dear Gyimii when I talk, me dear Gyimii when I take first class play more. Into more and more and the maintain case because a Gyimii near me. I think I have heard that before. I was watching television one day when a young lady appeared with a journalist, Ghanaian young lady. Started talking about Gyimii, me Gyimii nam dia me to, me Gyimii nam dia me nufu, me tu kwan kwa hanem grofo ko boy Gyimii. Boasting in sin. The Bible said.
Abusana mkosaka say any comment bi a wono ubetimi eja e comment section na wa like so na wa share e de amame na said de e prophet Kofi Oduro e kanu no was say ye wo maami o e ye wo papa o ye hwan o odi semunu na ka chen say hey papa ensemunu ana wudie no medi mani edi ensem nechi any update baby fro baby amede pepe na me kai wo say your Facebook as Let's Talk GH Rumors and your TikTok as Let's Talk GH. Make sure to be follow these pages ɛde ama me. Me din ɛde na ne ke asanto. Makram.